Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. Accept and seek within. Accepting humanity and the world as an evolution in progress is key to stop fighting against the inevitable and being at peace with life. The world is trial and error, with some fallbacks, some breakthroughs. Life is failure, success, and at times there are falls, detours, and delays that are unavoidable. Fighting against this simple notion is fighting against life. And some fight so hard they want their escape. Fighting burns energy, and if you persist down this path long enough, you burn out. When there's enough pressure on the chain, one of the links breaks, which we call disease, a mind that is not at ease. Instead, imagine investing your energy to what's beneficial to your mental health. Imagine investing your energy to regain your vitality, clarity, and appreciation. Imagine investing your energy to your personal growth and purpose. Accepting life's challenges, including being at peace with yourself, is inner peace. When you have inner peace, life emanates inner peace wherever you go. And when you're uneasy, life emanates uneasiness wherever you go. The key is to practice the art of thinking to achieve inner peace, happiness, and faith. When you master this, darkness cannot overtake you, and if it does, you know your way back through the same process of aligned thinking. When you're solid in what brings inner peace and happiness, if you get out of balance, you can always find your way back. You find your way back by focusing on your innate ability to overcome and thrive. Realize if one person did it, so can you, since we're all made up of the same energy that creates worlds. Your only problem is focusing on everything you're not and not recognizing the source within you. Realize that infinite intelligence is always within you, guiding you to wisdom, love, and growth. Find a strategy that works for you, as there are all kinds of relaxation techniques and philosophies that bring peace of mind and healing. The opposite of a mind at peace is fear. Fear can be described as being scared of the unknown. You're scared of the future or the past repeating itself. Or you don't believe you can be happy, at peace, or overcome your challenges. Consider that life is the unknown. Every day is a new creation, and you're never sure how it will end. When you constantly fear the unknown, over time the fear gets stronger and it builds up. If you don't change the course, eventually one of the links breaks. Fear is creating all types of worst case scenarios, when you can be imagining all you desire to be, do, and have. When you trust the process of life and that the universe has everything you need to overcome and thrive, fear dissipates. When you recognize your journey inward, you gain your ultimate power. You know, seeking within and choosing your reaction defines you and the unfolding of your life. When you allow external factors to choose for you, you feel vulnerable because the only control you have is your thoughts and reactions. If you allow external factors to choose for you, you will be tossed and turned like the waves of the sea. You cannot control the world, others, or even your environment at times. Stop fighting the inevitable and seek yourself. Accepting change is key to recovery. Every journey is unique, and we all have our share and gifts to help humanity. By changing one life, you change many lives, because we're all interconnected. Know your role in the evolution of your journey, and know your role in the evolution of humanity. You can spark change in your own unique way. You need to accept and listen to your intuition. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. That was very powerful. I really like this poem. It really, I believe in this poem. I've read, it's an article. I've read this one probably once a week for at least the last, 2 months. It always it brings me back, because sometimes I fall off course and I forget, and I start trying to fight through some stuff, and then I'm like, what am I doing? And I just take this article, and there's other poems from Danny that I'll read too, that it just helps me. It brings me back. That's why I love all these poems and these articles. They really resonate with me, because they help bring me back. They help slow my vibrations. It's just part of, I feel like it's a medicine for me, if you want to say it like that. I don't know. I really enjoy them. Thank you so much, Danny G. And thank you, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful week and a beautiful day today. Goodbye.